Hey everyone, Chris along with GoFish Digital here, and welcome to another episode of 60 Second SEO. Today I want to talk about how the new rollout of ChatGPT search is going to impact e-commerce specifically. So if you're not aware, yesterday huge news dropped where OpenAI announced they'd be integrating ChatGPT search is their integration of SearchGPT into the standard ChatGPT interface. Users can now perform a search, and that gives the LLM more search engine-like capabilities, even more powerful ones. So today I want to talk about specifically some implications and kind of some insights in terms of what we're seeing for e-commerce sites. So here, if I go on, I did a couple of different searches here, and it looks like there's a couple of different interfaces that we're seeing in general. One is this kind of vertical column interface where you query a product like, hey, best winter parkas for men, and we see this kind of column-like result with images right next to it, almost kind of similar to like a Google product grids in a way, pretty basic and just with a product name and then an image and a very brief description of the product. That's one interface. The second interface, what we're also seeing is pretty image heavy. Here I asked for best smartphone recommendations with high quality cameras and videos. Here we see a more vertical integration or horizontal integration of images along the top. And then we actually see the more text-like responses at the bottom, once again, listing specific products. So we see for different e-commerce queries, a couple of different interfaces that SearchGPT is showing right now. The next thing I think you'll notice is that really it's pretty bare bones in terms of the information they're providing. Like here they give me information, products to choose, but you're not seeing a lot of really in-depth detail. You're not seeing pricing information, shipping information, return policies. I expect all that to change, especially as this gets more sophisticated. But right now, pretty bare bones in terms of the actual information that it's returning. If you ask it something, it's basically returning the product name and then an actual just quick description along with some image information. The third thing and the most important thing, especially a lot of retailers want to know, well, hey, how do I get my products listed here? Right now, these results are heavily dependent on affiliate sites that have listed products and are essentially getting commission in terms for sending traffic to those products. So right here, when I search best winter parkas for men, it shows in the sources down here, right, what it's sourced from. And really it's just sourcing from basically one article and only one source, Gear Junkie right here. So you can see right here, every parka that it recommends is on this Gear Junkie list, right? Or on one of two Gear Junkie lists. So you can see that it's really dependent on whether, your products are even included in this affiliate site article. So affiliate sites, whether they're declining in terms of SEO, have a lot of power in influencing SearchGPT. Same thing here. When I asked it for best cell phones with high video quality, it recites a few different sources here: Tom's Guide, Digital Trends, Digital Camera World, and here you can see, once again, it kind of generally picks a couple of different sources that are affiliates and then lists articles. So affiliate sites in this ecosystem have enormous power over whether your products get shown. So if you start testing queries and start to see, hey, some of these affiliate sites keep showing up for some of my most important queries, well, you might want to figure out partnerships or reach out to them, because that's a way you can get included in these results. So a few high-level insights for ChatGPT search in terms of e-commerce. I'm sure there'll be a lot more as they kind of expand this out.